Alright guys, here's the answers to all the notes. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit at a time. I know we already had some of these worked out, so I'll go a little quicker. So this was the top part, and answers to 1 and 2. If you need more time, pause it. Now, we've got 3, 4, and 5. Now, I'll just point out a few things on number 3, 4, and 5. All of them had at least one coefficient that had a value of 1. So, like, on number 4, if you wanted to, you could have eliminated the y's, even though the x's were probably a little bit easier because they had the same sign. But if you had multiplied by 2, you could have eliminated the y's there by adding, and you're still going to get the same final answer. So if you work it out a little bit differently, don't freak out. Remember, it's possible. Okay, if you need more time on these, push pause. I'm going to go ahead and flip over to the back. Okay, 6 and 7 and 8. Now we already went through these. They're on a previous video, but I just wanted to show you all the steps just in case. Just make note. On 8, you can see that we chose to eliminate the x's. So we did 5 times 3 and 3 times 5 because both of those will get us 15. So if you can't see the greatest common factor by just multiplying one of them, then go ahead and multiply them both by basically each other. You're going to get the same final answer. You're still going to get negative 2, 5, but your work may just be a little different. Okay, if you need more time on these, please push pause now. Okay, this is 9 through 11. Once again, on these we notice that our x's and y's are not the same, so sometimes you'll have to multiply them by 2 different numbers. So don't be afraid to multiply by a negative if you want a negative to cancel out. You can always multiply them by positive numbers. You'll just have... But sometimes you can cancel out your negatives by multiplying by a negative. While you're looking at your work, if you need more time on the notes, please push pause here, and then I'll scroll down for number 12. And there is number 12. All right. Go ahead and take your time, look at 11 and 12, push pause if you need to, and then I'm going to explain the assignment. Okay, so here's the assignment that goes with it. This is the portion I'm grading. What I want you to do on this assignment is I want you to pick 5 and work them out as neatly and completely. I know there's 10 problems. If you go all the way to the bottom, there's 10. But I just want you to pick 5. This will force you to think, because maybe some will be easier to answer than others if you look and see which coefficients have maybe 1 and which coefficients have different values. So go through, solve these at your own pace, make sure to show your steps, and then please attach the file so I have something to grade. For those in class, they're going to be working in groups, but they still have to show their work, all right? Good luck on your assignment.